In the figure on the right, P represents a third, a quarter, a sixth, or a twelfth. Now the way to work this question out is to look at our diagram here on the left. This diagram will show us that the side of 1 cube, or 1 square, rather, is 1 on 6, and that the length of 2 squares this way is actually 1 on 2. So let's use this to find what the P here on the right represents. So this half means that it's actually representing half of that side. To explain this, for example, this is the length of that whole side there. But since this arrow is only encompassing this much of it, it is encompassing only half of that side. So the value for this arrow is actually a half. Similarly, for this long side along the top, this section that the arrow covers is 1/6 of that entire length. And so it's been labeled with 1 on 6. Let's use this rule and apply it to our square or shape on the right and to find what P represents. Now P is covering 2 little squares out of the 6 that run along the top. So it follows that P is 2 on 6 of this top side, which is equal to 1 on 3. Now 1 on 3 is our answer here, A.